Well, isn't this gazebo amazing? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a little overview review of this gazebo. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. You can see here we have it all set up. I love that the top of this is made of iron. It's very strong, very durable. You can see up in the top here. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. See that? It's got screens in the top of it. So part of the reason I love that is this has screens all the way around it, which I will fold these down and I will show that to you in just a minute. But this has screens all the way around it so that you can sit and you can enjoy being under here in the shade without bugs. The other thing it has is these awesome darkening and shade screens. So you could close these as well. Like if the sun was coming in through here, you can close the screens and that's gonna create some shade, but then closing these is gonna create even more shade. It's really, really cool. This took about 3 hours to put together. We actually did an install video on this as well. So all of the curtains and everything, see how this is like wrapped around here? They kind of hold here, so when you want them open, they have a place to be. Same thing with the screens. They have these little ties here that will hold them together, so you don't have to worry about them draping all over the place. I love that they are long enough to hit the ground. So again, like I said, mosquitoes around here, we live in northern Michigan. Mosquitoes can be crazy, so that definitely helps with the mosquitoes. This thing is really, really cool. We're still figuring out the best way to like hang our bird feeders and stuff from it, because our old one had our bird feeders. For now, we just have hooks on the inside. But because this is metal, we're looking at getting some metal hooks. Oh, that's another thing I wanted to note. There is a big metal hook in the middle here, so if you wanted to hang like an outdoor ceiling fan or lights, which we are going to hang some lights up in here, so we'll probably do another video when we have this all set up and have everything under here and show you guys what it looks like in the dark as well. But yeah, it's got a nice big hook there that you can put stuff on. It's just so cool. I love it. I love it. It's very heavy, it's very sturdy, it's very durable. Let me close the curtains to show you guys what that looks like. So I'm not going to close all the curtains, but as you can see here, they're all on these hooks and slides. So you just hook and slide them over. You can see they've all got like a little railing, and then they have a really sturdy zipper, so you can zipper it together. It's a little windy out here today. Hi, Kira. What do you think of this? So you can kind of get an idea of what it would look like with all of the screens down. Yeah, this is really cool. It's really, really cool. And like I said, it's got the darkening curtains as well, which also would keep it warm from the wind inside if it was too windy. Yeah, if you guys are looking for a really, really nice gazebo, this is nice. I love that it has the metal roof. I love how sturdy it is. And yeah, I think it's gonna last us for many, many years. We will definitely be using this. So if you guys are looking for a really nice gazebo for your yard, we recommend this. Hi, Memphis.